Hey everybody, it's Jaxx from GreenTec Auto here, and today we're answering the biggest question in the hybrid industry. Well, that's a big statement. This is also a big question. Now, what's the question you may ask? Is hybrid battery replacement really worth it? Maybe you're a hybrid owner and your battery has just failed. Maybe you're a hybrid owner and you're preparing for the long-term expense. Or maybe you don't even own a hybrid car, but you heard about these crazy battery replacement costs that are getting more expensive. Today, we're gonna give you the information you need. So I suggest, actually, I request that you watch today's full video, because not only will we give you the information you need, but we're also going to be giving away a $200 discount code for hybrid battery replacement. Not at the start, not in the middle, and not at the end of the video, but throughout the video, we're gonna be giving you letters. And the first letter is G. So if you want the discount code, if you wanna stay informed, and if you wanna know the truth, I hope you stay tuned for today's video. So let's address the elephant in the room first, cost. Now, replacing a hybrid battery is gonna be anywhere from $1,000 to $4,000. While that may sound expensive to some of you, that's actually a fraction of what you would pay from buying a brand new hybrid vehicle or a brand new vehicle. And on top of that, you're extending the life of your current vehicle anywhere from 6 to 10 plus years. Now, let me ask you a question. If the battery in your TV remote went bad, would you throw away the remote? Would you buy a new remote? Or would you replace the battery? For the discount code, the second letter is T. Let's talk about what really matters, the benefits, right? Replacing your hybrid battery doesn't just fix a problem, it brings your car back to life. You'll see sharper acceleration times, smoother transitions between electric and gas power, and also way better fuel efficiency, to name a few. And something that most people don't realize is that the average Prius battery takes anywhere from 100 to 150,000 miles to even go bad in the first place. For the average driver, it usually takes 7 to 12 years to get up to that 100 to 150,000 mile range. So now let me ask you a question. Is it worth $1,000 to $2,000 to add another 7 to 12 years of reliable life to your hybrid vehicle? You're waiting for the letter A. Now we're gonna get a bit more in depth when it comes to the true cost of battery replacement. So we have over 80 different types of hybrid, plug-in hybrid, and electric vehicle battery replacements that we sell. So I can't get into all that today, but if you are interested to either get a free quote or a free diagnostic, yes, a free quote and a free diagnostic. Maybe you don't even know if your hybrid battery is bad. Maybe you just have some sluggish acceleration. Maybe you got some error codes on your dashboard and you want to find out what's going on with your hybrid. So give us a call, click the link below, and it will help you with whatever you need. So I got our most popular battery behind us, which is our 2010, 2015 Toyota Prius. So most of our batteries are remanufactured, but for a lot of Toyotas, Hondas, and a couple other brands, we do offer new cell options. So as you can see on the far right-hand side, this is our best valued option. 48 months of warranty, going for $2,149. Second up, we have our most popular option. This is what most people buy. 24 months of warranty, going for $1,399. And lastly, we have our most affordable option, going from a 12-month warranty, $1,199. So if any of these interest you and you want to get a free quote, free diagnostic, I'm going to say it for the last time, click the link below and let's get to the next section. While hybrid battery replacement may sound like a lifesaver, it can also be a wallet burner, if you want to say. We usually charge 30 to 50% less than the dealership does. There are still so many people who don't know about us or just don't know that there is an alternative. So I'm leaving this in your hands. Please share this video to anyone you know who owns a hybrid, plug-in hybrid, or electric vehicle, so we can provide them with affordable, accessible, and reliable solutions. So let's get straight into it right here. I'm gonna leave this article in the description box below. It is from dailydot.com, funny name, where a TikTok creator named Charlie Peterson made a video that got viewed 185,000 times about a quote he got for a Prius, yes, a Prius hybrid battery that, as you can see, is $6,800. This quote is outrageous. So I listed right here all the different makes and models of Priuses that we sell, and in a few price ranges right here. And as you can see, the most expensive one we have is a 48-month warranty, and it's not even $2,000. So where am I going with this? If you get quoted a price for your battery replacement and it's more expensive than the car, don't get the battery replacement. But I do ask that you give us a call first so that we can give you our opinion and what you can do to get your vehicle back on the road. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and you have the answer to the question, is hybrid battery replacement really worth it? If you have any other questions or want to get a quote on how much it's going to cost you to get your hybrid battery replaced, make sure you click the link below or just give us a call and we'll help you with whatever you need. Also, the last letter for the discount code is I. So go back in the video, watch it again if you didn't get all the letters, because that's $200 off on your hybrid battery replacement.